Alright, so this is a tutorial on how to hook up the AC plug from the LCD mod to your switch directly so that it will turn on when you turn the power switch on. So on pretty much every pinhole there will be a toggle switch like that. There will be two sets of terminals, top and bottom. It may vary depending on your pinball, but basically one side will be live. So that's hooked up, and that meter is currently reading live voltage. So now, if I were to take that off and hook up the other side, bear with me. Now I've got this bottom portion touched. So that's hooked up. No voltage. Now, however, when I turn the machine on, now I've got voltage. So that means that these bottom two terminals are what turns on the switch. So that's what you need to figure out. So once you figure that out, I'll show you the next step how to... Alright, so again, to reiterate, the AC plug from your pinball has to be unplugged. Soldering iron is plugged into the power strip. So I've got one of my Street Fighter mods, got my AC plug, got my wires already pre-soldered to the AC, and so here's my two AC cables that I'm going to solder right to that. So here is my wire soldered to only two of these terminals on the same row, and so I'm going to go ahead and boot. You'll see as soon as I turn the power switch on, the mod turns on. That's hooked up to the switch, so that'll go ahead and boot up. Again, when you're soldering, do not have the machine and the soldering iron plugged at the same time, because that will connect ground and get a short. Worst thing that's going to happen, you're going to get a big spark. Your breaker's going to, turn the circuit off. There's the mod starting up. So just make sure that you be aware of that when you do soldering.